we're rolling square. And you may say, squares don't roll. How's that possible? Well, we're pretty clever.
We are from Switzerland, a land of precision. But we don't make watches, cheese or chocolate. But what we make is equally tasty. Tasty tech that solves everyday problems with style.
And we've created the best key ring and wallet trackers ever.
And here they are.
Wait! Quick history lesson. In 2021, Apple introduced the AirTag, taking advantage of the largest network of devices ever. Meaning that as long as you have an Apple device nearby, and let's be honest, you probably do, Apple can pinpoint your tracker's locations via Bluetooth and tell you exactly where your keys are. As soon as Apple released the network, we released our own tracker, the AirCard. For the first time ever, a tracker could fit into your wallet. After the AirCard's release, the market was flooded with boring AirTag alternatives, which only competed on price. And here, we saw a gap. We began collaborating with Google. If you've never heard of them, you should Google them. To achieve the highest quality product possible, we spent years brainstorming, conceptualizing, building, testing, fine-tuning, and perfecting. And now, we introduced AirNotch Pro and AirCard Pro.
Oh yeah!
This family of Pro trackers is compatible both with Apple and Google networks. And AirNotch is the only tracker on the market with dual buzzers, for a surprisingly loud 360 sound. Where's AirNotch?
Found it.
And it's crafted to be the most resistant tracker on the market.
How resistant is it?
AirNotch Pro is rated IP68, meaning it's sand resistant and water resistant.
Just fine!
AirNotch Pro also widely outperforms its competitors in terms of battery life, featuring 2-button batteries that will last twice as long as AirTag. And, to be found in the darkest places, it has the same photoluminescent pigments of Swiss luxury watches. AirCard Pro has been designed to have the longest lasting battery with wireless charging capability, so you only need to charge it once every 14 months.
That's how long it takes for a giraffe to be born.
How do you know that?
Because I read. Mostly about giraffes.
AirCard Pro has been crafted with a solid aluminum and a strong glass body, making it the most durable card tracker you can find. It's water resistant, it's the loudest AirCard ever, all while maintaining its ultra-thin profile. Plus, each card features a unique QR code, enabling easy sharing of your digital identity. And now, the question everyone asks, how much does it cost? But first, a quick recap.
Are you kidding me?
Both AirNotch Pro and AirCard Pro can work with Apple and Google networks. They have longer lasting batteries, they're louder, have high IP, and unique features like photoluminescence or digital ID. And they're priced just like everyone else's trackers.
Yes! Are you sure?
Oh no, sorry, there's an early bird price for Kickstarter backers.